Jai Srimanarayana. 23rd sloka of 16th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Yaha Shastra Vidhim Utsrujya Vartate Kamakaratah Nasasiddhim Avapnoti Nasukham Naparam Gatim. Om. Realize that to be happy in this world and to attain the supreme destination, you have to follow Sri Krishna Paramatma's message, Sri Krishna Paramatma's injunctions. Do not disregard Bhagavad Gita, which is the essence of the Vedas, our scriptures, which is also known as Shastra. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I realize that to be happy in this world and to attain supreme destination, I have to follow your injunctions. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall never disregard Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimanarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. I shall obey your orders. Please make me as your best instrument. Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigama kalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadam mrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamapeta krutyam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana Chaturmukha Brahma Saraswati Devi Vyasa Maharshi Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Vudirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 8th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Chaturmukha Brahma and all other devatas went to Karya Vaikuntham and praying Paramatma who is there with the name Ajita. They are saying, Bhagavan, these 5 elements, Panchabhutas, the time, the activities, 3 gunas and the effects of 3 gunas, everything is the product of your Maya. That is what enlightened people says. Maybe that is the reason nobody can cross your Maya. Only those who are enlightened, they are able to cross your Maya with your Ashirvadam, with your Anugraham. Such, O Paramatma, Prasidatam Naha Samaha Vibhutihi. May you be pleased with all of us. Bhagavan, Namostu Tasma Upashanta Shaktaye Swarajya Labha Pratipuritatmane Guneshu Maya Rachiteshu Vrittibhihi Nasajjamanaya Nabhasvadutaye. Bhagavan, you are an embodiment of peace. Bhagavan, without putting any effort, just by your sankalpam, your will, you can do everything. Bhagavan, you are always content and you are an embodiment of fullness, completeness. Such, O Paramatma, we are doing namaskaram to you. Bhagavan, though you are the one who does everything and who created this entire Srushti, you are never tied by any of the activities that are happening in this Srushti. Such, O Paramatma, we are doing namaskaram to you. Like that, all the devatas praying to Paramatma. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 16th chapter, 23rd sloka. Yas shastra vidhimutsrujya vartate kamakarataha nasa siddhimavapnoti na sukham na param gatim. Yas shastra vidhimutsrujya vartate kamakarataha nasa siddhimavapnoti na sukham na param gatim. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.